Hello students, you are welcome in the grammar lesson with Kature sir. In this lesson we will focus on what is an adverb, how many types of adverbs are there in English and which are they. Let us see the definition of adverb. The words that describe the verbs, adjectives or another adverbs are called adverbs. For example, clearly, slowly, fast, loudly, easily, nicely, luckily, safely, lazily, wisely, softly, well, etc. Let us see an example. She runs fast. In this sentence, fast is an adverb and this word describes the verb run. How she runs fast. So, fast is an adverb. In second sentence, Raju sings well. Well is an adverb and this word describes sings. How Raju sings? The answer is well. Let us see third sentence. Radha walked slowly. Here, slowly is an adverb and this word describes walk. How Radha walked? The answer is slowly. And fourth sentence, Prashant speaks loudly. Loudly is an adverb and this word describes the verb speak. How Prashant speaks loudly. So, all the underlined words in the above sentences are adverbs. Read the following sentences. Mahesh speaks loudly. And second, she reads fast. In the first sentence, how does Mahesh speak? Mahesh speaks loudly. And in second sentence, how does she read? She reads fast. The word loudly describes how Mahesh speaks and the word fast describes how she reads. So, loudly and fast are adverbs. Friends, there are 6 main types of adverbs. First, adverbs of manner. Second, adverbs of time. Third, adverbs of place. Fourth, adverbs of degree. Fifth, adverbs of frequency. Sixth, adverbs of affirmation and negation. We will study all these types of adverbs one by one. First of all, we will see adverbs of manner. Let us see the definition. Adverbs of manner tells us how something happens. For example, loudly, neatly, slowly, carefully, nicely, well, fast, etc. Most of them end with ly. For example, the dog barks loudly. Here loudly is an adverb of manner. She plays slowly. Here slowly is an adverb of manner. They answer the question how. In first sentence, the dog barks loudly. How dog barks? The answer is loudly. In second sentence, she plays slowly. How she plays? The answer is slowly. Let us see examples. Hemant speaks English fluently. The child sleeps soundly. He read the lesson quickly. He examined the plant carefully. In the above sentences, all the underlined words tell the manners of verb. Let us see exercise. Choose the correct alternative and complete the following sentences. First sentence, he always talk dash dash. The words in the bracket are foolish oblique foolishly. He always talk foolishly. Here foolishly is an adverb. In second sentence, although she played dash dash, she could not win the race. The words in the bracket are well or fast. Although she played well, she could not win the race. In this way, you have to read following sentences and adverbs in the bracket and choose correct adverbs of manner. Second, adverbs of time. They indicate when something happens or happened or will happen. For example, they answer the question when. Now, just, yet, then, early, always, soon, today, yesterday, still, yet, recently, before, after, already, etc. They are usually placed at the beginning or end of the sentence. First sentence, recently he bought a new car. Second, he is happy today. She came to school early. I had gone there before. Why did you come late? In the above sentences, the red word tell the time of action. Let us see exercise. Underline the adverbs of time in the following sentences. I haven't read the newspaper today. Second, he had just finished his homework. Third, we watched this film yesterday. My father hasn't come yet from office. The teacher will come here soon. Students, you have to read all the sentences and find out and underline the adverbs of time.